Warning! This is fake. This EAS never actually happened. Once again, this is fake. It never actually happened.
These cups won't cut it anymore. This is Ember, a smarter coffee thermos designed to keep
The following message has transmitted at the request of the Erie Police Department. An unknown chemical has been detected from an unknown source that has been found to be hazardous. Affected areas include Erie, Pennsylvania. To avoid any exposure to the chemical, be careful when outside. If you smell the chemical, don't inhale it too much. Wear a mask if necessary. Effective until further notice. The following message has transmitted at the request of the Erie Police Department. The chemical hazard warning has now concluded.